Hello and welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be planning for the week of January 26th or 27th through February 2nd. In my Catchall planner, the kit I'm going to be using is this kit from Beyond Paper Flowers, which is a Golden Girls themed. I have my week stickers here, the week of from Planner Kate, which is 108. I have my Tipsy Dog Designs sidebar scripts here, and I have my Avalon and 9th date dots. And where did they go? I just actually had, oh, they're there. And I have my scripts here from Black Mountain Plans. So let's jump right on into it. How are you guys doing? I'm doing pretty good. This planner, if you are new, is from the Penny Pages. This is the Pentrix planner. This planner is truly like my ride or die planner. I just love this planner a lot. And I can't believe that January is almost over. So anyway, what is happening this week? Nothing really, to be completely honest with you. We're, just coming off of being sick, and so with that, we just haven't really wanted to do much. I'm not really going anywhere right now just because, getting over it, and I'm still getting over it, to be honest. It took my husband about two-ish weeks to finally get over whatever we got, and my daughter's finally feeling better, so don't really want to ruin that right now with more illness. So we are kind of just staying home and relaxing, which is good for us to do, and we're getting in a lot of family time. And well, my husband went back to work finally, but the weather has just been so unpredictable lately. It's like, are we getting snow? Are we not getting snow? So we still actually have snow on the ground, but we have not gotten any more snow. Not like our families have been getting it pretty bad. I know my mom with my kid siblings, they've been home, so she's been home working from home, and my aunt down in Florida just got hit really bad with the snow. So everybody is getting it besides us, which is fine. We got a lot a couple weeks ago, and it was nice to have. My daughter really hadn't seen snow before. The last time I think she saw snow was at 6 months old, and well, babies don't really remember that. Yes, baby. Are you eating your lunch? Go eat your lunch before Carmen does, please.
It's harder.
You want what? Okay, go watch Marshall and Chase. Why not? Okay. Well, let Mommy finish this, and then Mommy will come cuddle, okay? Okie dokie? she wanted to grace us with her presents. Carmen! Sorry. Don't want the dog to eat her lunch. So, there is that. I want to say I have an appointment this week. Or is it next week? Let me look. Am I blind? I am blind. Where is Micah? Micah. Let's see. I thought I had a text from her, but I don't have it right now. Okay, so I guess I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. Couldn't find the text message. So that is a-okay. Come on, there we go. So I'm just laying down the date strips, the little strips here. Nothing like fancy, just doing something different. But anyway, so if you're new, I will go over my categories here. There's 5 categories in this planner because this is the A5 wide planner. And my categories are household, my daughter, my husband, and I. I'm starting to do meals again, and the last category is going to be health. So I need to get better about doing that, tracking my health stuff, but I would really like to start tracking my steps and if I went to the gym or not. So that is kind of where I'm at with that. Come on, there we go. So that's what health is, and I have not been doing very well with that. So I need to get better. But with feeling better, that means I can start trying to get back into a small little routine, I think. But those are my categories. This, if you've watched any of my videos, or if not, you know, go back and watch some of them. I don't keep my social media stuff in this video, or in this planner, just because I want this to be solely for my home and appointments and errands and all of that jazz. So I really try not to put anything else in here, especially with like my husband's job and stuff. I like to keep track of certain things for him. It just makes my life easier. So that's how this planner works. I love this planner. I'm actually doing really well with this planner. So if you have been following along from last year, I was trying to use up the kits I had because I was hoarding a bunch of kits, and I am down to my last 20. So I am so excited because I get to buy new kits. for this planner now. I do need to order some actually because I am out of my winter kits and I have a lot of summer kits. So, a lot of summer and spring kits. So I will be ordering some new kits in the next couple of months or weeks. I don't know. I'm just going to try to use up what I have because it makes me happy. So this planner will probably be the next couple weeks. Will probably be a mishmash of kits because I'm going to use up what I have. I have no more monthly kits for this planner. I have a February kit and that is it. And I want to purchase more kits from Sugar Pop Fizz. So I made my first order last month, or made my first order last year at the end of the year, like November, December time frame. And I've been using their kits, their monthly kits since, let's see, since October actually. Okay, yeah, so since October. And I absolutely love them. I've never bought from them before until that last year, and I am trying in my planner for a whole year, just for the monthlies, I will be using one shop's kit. Not like weekly kits because there's a bunch of them, but I'm trying to try out some new shops to me. And I just thought it would be fun to do it that way. So when Sugar Pop Fizz right now is closed for the holidays, they open back up in February. But come on, let's go. So when they open back up, I will be happy because I will order some more kits from them. And I think I might try out some of their weekly pen tricks or academic planner kits as well. That's just what I am thinking for myself. And then I also am buying some full stickers, like page stickers, because I've been using them in my social media Erin Condren planner. On the dash, like on the tabs. So that is what I plan on doing. Okay, so we are gonna put these full boxes down in no particular order or rhyme or reason. I love them here. I don't think we have anything going on. And then these I will just put down in our meals because I already have a meal stuff planned. Oh, oh, there's my December kit, monthly kit. And we'll do here, I think. So I do have some meals planned out. I have them on my whiteboard. I don't have them in front of me. So I'll have to grab that. But Mondays, I am going to lay this down. So we're going to start with Household Mondays. I changed my wax and my wax melters. and it is trash day. I'll grab a small one and throw it down. I do have my scripts here from Black Mountain Plans, which I do need to get more of. I have no therapy this week, so I'm done with that. Saturday, we'll do a bigger box. We change our bed sheets in the house, and we'll do this, which is laundry. I also kind of want this weekend to give the dogs a bath. I am going to put this guy here for my daughter, under my daughter's name, because it is Ground Hogs Day. I just want to mark that in. And then I don't have anything really else to mark besides here. And I actually did forget come on. There we go. That my husband works this weekend. And has an event on Monday. And then I do know what we're having on Monday for dinner. We're having a chicken calves. And then Tuesday, I know we're gonna have leftovers. So that is literally all I have, because I don't think I know anything else that's going on this week. No doctor's appointments, nothing. Let me look. That appointment's not happening. Yeah, so that is it for this plan with me. It was short, sweet, simple, and to the point, which I absolutely love. I am going to be buying some, I need to actually buy scripts from Black Mountain Plans because I'm running low. But anyway, that's nor here nor there for this week, but that is a next month or the month after problem. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!